today is a demo class. Don't write it anything, just small concepts I'm telling only. And also I'm telling about small introduction part only. Oracle. So many versions are there in a Oracle. We are telling all previous versions, and also practically we are telling about 19C is a version. This 2019 only released. C means cloud technology. In a olden days, grid technology is there, 10G, 11G, like that. Follow C, 18C, 19C means cloud computing is there. Okay. Slowly observe it here. So many fellows having idea. Oracle. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Again, SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. DB2 is a product from IBM company. Teradata is a product from NCR Corporation. Sybase is a product from Ingress company. Again, MySQL is an open source. Like that, so many names you are familiar, maybe in outside world only. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Teradata, Sybase, MySQL, Postgres, Ingress, okay, and also nowadays in your mobile also SQLite, something is there. These are all called, these are, what is these things only? Now here, these are similar concepts only. Now what is these things means? Always everyone knows. And now here, check it out. Here, these Oracle, SQL Server, these are called database products. These are called database products. Database products. And now slowly observe it here. Oracle is a database product. Don't write it, just observe it here. Database. Database products. Nowadays, every organization maintain databases. Nowadays, two types of databases, OLAP and OLTP, that is different. But first observe it here. Every organization maintain databases. What is the purpose of these databases means? For storing day-to-day transactions. Suppose you are going to where bank, in a customer's going to bank, then bank stores a what? Withdraws, deposits, loans. These are all called transactions. These details are stored in a where? In a database. Again, online portals, otherwise in a telecom, these type of applications also stores a what? Telecom is always customer details. It will be okay, so storing only. That's why always slowly observe it here. Don't write it. And now check it out. Database. Oracle is a database. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. What is the purpose of these databases? Means non-technical persons observe it here. What is the purpose of these databases? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Slowly observe it here. What is the purpose of databases? To store data permanently, permanent. You know, okay, today we are storing a what? A data means after 1 year also we are using. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. In secondary storage devices means hard disk, okay? In secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices. Storage devices. Now slowly observe it here. Devices. Now concentrate. Suppose, for example, now check it out. I'm loading a what? Oracle software, for example. Okay, fine. Now check it out. These are the database softwares. I am loading a what? Oracle software. Okay, fine. I'm loading a what? Oracle software. Same like a Java software. Oracle software I'm loading. Whenever I'm loading a what? Oracle software, automatically automatically some place is created in a hard disk, in a disk only. Okay, fine. In a future, we are viewing that one. Now, that place is called a database. Here, this is a place. Okay, this is a place only. Whenever we are installing a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, these softwares means automatically some place is created in a hard disk. That is called what? Database. Okay, fine. Yes. Now I am also, you are also thinking about what is that one? Oh, maybe database is a place in a computerized system. Whenever we are storing a what data means the data is storing a what here in a database permanently. We are thinking. Suppose I am also, you are also thinking of what? Yes, here in this database, we are storing a what? In a random collection of data, we are thinking. That is absolutely wrong one. We are not allowed to store a random collection of data in a very databases. These type of databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these databases I'm telling, these are relational databases. That's why we are not allowed to store a random collection of data in these databases. Actually, MongoDB is there, Cascade is there. These type of databases means unstructured data, but here actually these type of databases stores a what? Stores a what? Structured collection of data. That is important. Structured collection of data. Don't write it anything. Just observe it here. These type of databases only stores structured collection of data. Suppose here. Now here, this is a data is there, some data, what is data, what is information, those all the things I will tell you, don't worry. And now here, yes, here organized fashion only the data is storing, a structured manner only the data is storing. A organized fashion, a structured collection of data is storing by the way these type of databases. Okay, fine. Only structured collection of data. Suppose Oracle, SQL Server, these type of databases developed based on relational model. That data model is implemented by the where EF code is introducing. He is a mathematician. That's why he decided to store the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns are not. Yes, that is a structured collection of data. Once the data is storing in this database, we are operating the data in this database. Suppose here we are operating, why we are operating, what is that one I will tell you. And now for operating a what data in this database, we are using a what one separate language only. What is that one? Don't write it only, just observe it here, demos. No? And now SQL is a language, structured query language is there. Through this one, we are operating a what data in a databases. And now here, now check it out. Slowly observe it here. And now, don't write it, just non-technical person purpose, observation purpose, these are all the things. Suppose here, this is a database is there. Okay. Later you are familiar, these all the things, just observe it here. Now, this is a database is there. In this database, observe it here. This is a data is there. Okay, fine. But this data is in the format of structured format only there. Structured format means table format only there. Observe it here. This is a database. Here, columns are there. These are called columns. Okay, fine. Here, some data is there. Here, these are called rows only. Some data is there. Here, this is a data is there. But a structured manner, the data is storing. You are observing or not? Here, in this column, only numbers are there. A proper way they are storing. You are also storing like that. Again, here in this one, only strings are there. And now here, big tables are there. For example, in a feature, you are also familiar. And now check it out. Now here, observe it here. This is a big table. Don't write it. Just observe it here. And now this is a big table is there. In this big table also, you are observing or not, here a structured manner data is there. Suppose in this column, only numbers are there. You are observing or not. In this column, maybe something is there. And only strings are there. In this column, only dates are available. That's why only in a particular column, particular data is there. That's why a structured manner data is there. Once the data is available in a databases, these type of relational databases in a future, you are familiar. Okay. Now, yes, here I am also, you are also operating a what data in these databases. How can I mean? One language is there, very easy. That is a non-procedural language. Actually, procedural languages means C, C++, Java, .NET, these type of languages, procedural languages. If conditions are there, loops are there, variables are there. But unfortunately, SQL is a non-procedural language. Non-procedural language means variables are not there, loops are not there, big coding is not there. Only one or two lines of coding, that's all. Simple, same like a English like commands only. Now check it out. For example, here in this table, New York is a data is there, for example. I want to change in my project only this New York data into where Hyderabad is a data, for example. Whenever I want to change this data, New York into Hyderabad, just I'm typing a what, some command only. Okay, some command. What is that one means? You don't have an idea. Just observe it here. Some command is there. And now here some command is there. And now here, yes, update, delete, insert. So many commands are there. Very easy only. And now one of these stage you are familiar that one. Suppose you are also familiar in a future, those commands only, just you are writing a what single line of coding like this. For example, and now here, yes, here. Whenever you are writing a what a single line of coding, and now here, check it out. Yes, here automatically, observe it here. Yes, here automatically the data is changing or not? The data is changing. In a previous case, the data is a New York is there, but in this case, the data is changing a what a Hyderabad only. That's why always now check it out. Actually, Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of database products? Means to store data permanently in a hard disk only. Okay, fine. Now, but unfortunately, if you want to operate the data within these databases, we are using some languages. We are using only. These type of languages, this language is called, this language we are learning in our course only. What is that language? This command I'm typing, this is called which one? SQL, structured query language. Structured query language. So just observe it here, don't write it. If you want to operate a what data in a databases, in this type of database, suppose Oracle we are learning in our course. Yes, here what is the language we are learning in our course? Yes, what is the language? SQL is a language. SQL is a language. Not only SQL language, nowadays another language also we are learning only. Through that language also we are operating a data in a Oracle database. What is that one means? Another language is there, not a MySQL, PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. Some terminology. PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Something is there. Again, not only that one, so many fellows are telling only these two languages you are familiar, then you are operating a what data in a where Oracle. Otherwise, you are joining in a software companies in a database product side, Oracle projects you are working means these two languages you have an idea, then operating very easy. They are telling no, absolutely no, wrong side. Always another language is required. What is that one means nowadays? Here, that's why advanced is required. Dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL is a language. That's why whenever anybody learning a what Oracle course anywhere in the worldwide, yes, here, or anybody wants to operate a what Oracle product, yes, here, these three languages, these are called languages. This is a database. Okay, fine. These are languages are there. And now through these languages we are operating. One is SQL we are learning. Another one is PLSQL language we are learning. Another one is dynamic SQL language we are learning only. Yes, these three languages through we are operating a data within a where database. You are a software engineer means we are operating our data within a where this Oracle database. Some fellow is asking what is DB2? DB2 is a database. That is same like a Oracle. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation, whereas DB2 is a product from IBM company. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here DB2. Suppose SQLite is a database is there in your mobile also, your names and phone numbers, all the things storing or not. That is also SQLite is a database. That's why different databases are there. But Oracle database you are operating means three languages we are learning only. Okay, na? Yeah. So now observe it here. Concentrate here. Don't write it anything. Just observe it. Oh, maybe Oracle is a database product. Or structured collection of data is there. Permanently data is storing. Suppose here that data we are operating means, oh, maybe some languages we are learning. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now, so many different type of real-time application side, these databases we are using only. Now, why software companies recruiting what these type of PLSQL developers or SQL developers, these type of so now here designation jobs only available in aware companies, why they are recruiting what this special type of programmers means? Observe it here, concentrate, very easy. Now check it out, don't write it, these are demo, just idea purpose. Suppose so So many fellows are going to wear banks. And now here, observe it here. So many fellows are yes. And now here, so many fellows are going to wear banks only. For example, you are a customer. Okay, fine. You are a customer. Observe it here. You are a customer. You are going to wear bank in a bank or anything in a ATM center. So many fellows are going to wear bank only ATM center. And now here, check it out. Bank is a database application. And now here ATM center, for example. Okay, fine. This customer having a what balance is there. Okay, for example, yes, in their account only some balance is there. For example, 2000 is a balance is there. For example, 2000 balance is there in their account. Okay, fine. Whenever he is putting a what, we are going to bank this customer and inserting a what ATM card. Whenever he is inserting a what ATM card, for example, he is decided to withdraw amount only. For example, he is typing a what is the balance is there, 2000 is there. He is a try to withdraw what 9000 is a amount only, for example. Whenever he is typing a what 9000, just he is typing a what 9000 after entering a pin only. Now he is getting a what 9000 rupees. No, automatically he is getting a what message. What is the message? Insufficient balance. Okay, now here, yes, insufficient funds. Like this only, some message it will be displayed or not? A message it will display. How it will be displayed? What this message means? Some type of software engineers are there. Observe here. Those software engineers, suppose today I'm showing only that one. These software engineers, okay, so now whatever they are recruiting a what in a companies who are developing a what this project, they are writing a what some software coding they are writing only. Coding they are writing. How they are writing means I will tell you. Suppose Oracle database they are using means how they are writing, I will tell you. Whenever if requested amount is less, amount more than the available balance, then automatically insufficient funds, it will display a what message. Suppose he is a customer, he is entering a what, he is decided to withdraw. Suppose here 1000 rupees is withdrawing only. Whenever 1000 rupees he is withdrawing means automatically is getting a what 1000 rupees only. Then the remaining balance is 1000 is available or not. How it will be updated in a where in your database means always some type of programmers are required. Those programmers, these type of operations they are performing in a companies, yes, some type of programmers are required. Those are called database programmers. Those type of programmers are called database programmers. That's why companies recruiting a what nowadays database programmers. These type of actions they are writing a coding, some little bit of coding only they're writing means then automatically happen. Maintaining a database also important only. And now here, suppose you are learning a Oracle is a course means then you are a PLSQL developer. Yes, you are PLSQL developer writing a coding, then only possible. And now check it out. For example, don't write it anything. Suppose here, this is a table is there. For example, bank is a database. Okay, for example, table means database. You are thinking, for example, 1 minute only. And now here, check it out. For example, here in another class side only, this table I'm creating. This is a bank is a table. Slowly observe it here. In this bank table, that is a database. Observe it here. Okay, fine. In this bank only, here table is there. In this table format only data is storing. For example, account numbers are there, name and balance is there. For example, here this is a data. This is called a data only. What is data? What is information? Whenever we are starting a course, we are learning. Here 1001 is a what account number. My name is Murli. I am writing a what Murli only. My balance is 2000. Okay, fine. Again 1002 another customer is there in a bank only. ABC is a customer. His balance is 3000 is there. For example, everyone very good knowledge in a where withdraw and okay, deposit, those type of things only. For example, application side, how they are developing and now here, yes, those type of transaction means observe it here. Suppose you are an experienced person and now here, check it out. Your Oracle course you are learning, you are very good knowledge in a PLSQL, SQL, these type of knowledge is there. Then in your software company, you are writing a what, some coding only, some little bit of coding you are writing. Suppose here, don't write it only, just observe it here. Now here, some procedures is a concept is there. Okay, fine. For example, suppose I am a senior most programmer, for example, withdraw purpose, I am writing a what, coding only. Okay, fine. For example, these are very easy codings. Now check it out. I am passing a what, account number. Okay, don't write it. These all the things you don't have an idea. This is a PLSQL code only. And now just idea purpose only. Oh, coding is there. Idea purpose only. I'm telling. And now here amount we are passing only, for example. And now here check it out. A little bit of coding is there. These type of codings they are writing. This is called PLSQL language. Okay, fine. This is very easy codings only. And now you are also writing a what in a future. PLSQL we are learning means we are writing coding. I am selecting a what, a balance from the where, and now here database table, a bank table only. Just I am writing a what, some coding. Okay, fine. Yes, here these type of codes very easy. And now here, how can I write what is that one in a future? I'm telling only. Suppose if amount, and now your user entered amount is less than, some coding very easy. And now here less than the where, and now here balance. Okay, then yes, we are withdrawing a amount, that is update some commands are there, SQL coding only, that one. The update commands, that one. Bank set here balance is equal to, we are withdrawing only balance minus p underscore amount. And now here where account number is equal to p underscore account number. Okay, some coding is there. Observe it here. Output only, observe it here. Whenever you are writing a what, some coding like this. Okay, fine. Transaction successful. Observe here. Transaction successful. Okay, fine. For example, and now here. Okay, some coding is there. Here else. Just here something is there. Insufficient funds, something is there or not? Yes, here. Okay. Don't afraid only. This type of things are very easy. You are an experienced person means nothing. And now here, yes. Insufficient enough funds, something only. For example, I'm a banking project. I'm working means, for example, I am writing a what, some piece of coding. Okay, fine. Yes, here. So big, so now here, yes, lines also very easy. These all the things on one of these days. And now check it out. For example, I am a software engineer, Oracle PLSQL developer. I am writing a what, coding like this. Okay, fine. Observe here. Don't write it. Observe here. This is the coding I am developing only in a project. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Withdraw is a what, something only. I am banking or deposits, withdraw. So many things are there. Just withdraw. I am telling only. Whenever your amount, your requested amount, you are withdrawing amount is less than the available balance, there is no problem. We are modifying the data in a where database, that is transaction successful. Otherwise, now here insufficient funds only, for example. Now check it out. For example, really that is working or not in a where in a project side means observe it here. Suppose I am writing a what, EXEC procedure. This is a procedures only. Don't worry. And now procedures and all these things in a later. And now check it out. Suppose here, this is only outputs, observe it here. Now I'm executing a what, that above procedure. Now my account number is 1001. I am trying to withdrawing a what, 9,000 rupees. Observe it here. Now my balance is how much? My balance is how much? 2,000 rupees only. My balance is here, Murli is a what, account number 1001. My balance is in a database 2,000 only there, but unfortunately I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees. Whenever I try to withdraw anything, okay, more than the available balance means automatically now insufficient funds, it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. How it will be displayed about this insufficient funds? I am learning a course Oracle, you are learning a course Oracle, you are a good PLSQL developer in a company side. Yes, you are writing what this coding means. Yes, automatically this is possible. That's why, yes, companies recruiting what, those type of programmers. And now here, observe it here. Again, I try to write a what, yes, EXEs, okay, something only, withdraw like this, okay, just idea purpose only. And now these procedures and all these things, you don't have an idea really. My account number is 1001. Yes, I am withdrawing a what, 1,000 rupees, for example. Whenever I try to withdraw a what, 1,000 rupees, possible. Why? Because you are observing or not, my account is balance is 2,000 rupees are there. Yes, 1000 rupees is less than the way 2000 rupees. This program is executed, that code is executed, then automatically, and now here, check it out. Yes, a transaction successful. Transaction successful is a message, it will be displayed. How it is displayed? Yes, this coding I am writing, yes, here this coding I am writing, that is executed internally. Yes, here that is displayed. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, that is affected or not, I want to check means, just observe it here. I am typing a what like this only. And now my database, I want to view. Yes, I'm viewing means in a previous case, 2000 is there. Now my balance is how much? Here 1000 is there. How it is possible? We are writing a what? Coding only. That's why these type of coding, observe here, don't afraid this coding only. This is a little bit of big coding only. This coding is also called as PLSQL code, procedural language extension for SQL. This is a what? PLSQL language. Observe here, PLSQL language, PLSQL language. That's why this is a PLSQL. That's why whenever we are starting our course means, we are telling what everyone telling like that only. First SQL is a language they are telling. SQL means simple commands are there. Once your good knowledge is there, okay, in a SQL, then extension of the SQL, PLSQL also we are telling only. Once you are good at what? These two languages, then you are operating a what? Yes, company side, these type of Oracle database or any database also you are operating. That much of powerful. Actually, now slowly observe it here, concentrate here. Now, actually, companies are recruiting a what nowadays? You are not knowing any Java, any .NET, any language you don't know also. A PLSQL, you are learning only perfectly. In a way, 3 years or 2 years, you are putting a fake experience. Maybe any gap is there, you are struggling only, you are unable to get a job. Yes, you are. Then PLSQL, you are learning properly, 100% getting a job. Very easy, because a little bit of coding. So many fellows are doesn't know. That's why in a Google you are typing a what? A PLSQL developer. PLSQL developer is a jobs are there. Jobs are there. There whenever we are putting okay, so typing a what? PLSQL developer. So many jobs are there. You are observing. And now here, yes, that's why I'm Murli sir telling a PLSQL developer or anything means easy way we are getting a jobs. This one easy way without any okay, so hard code knowledge, only very easy way you are getting a job, because I'm basically PLSQL developer. That's why very depth knowledge I'm giving a what in a PLSQL, very depth knowledge. Actually, who are the persons are learning a what this course? Now here this course, who are the persons are learning means, suppose in my course, Murli sir only, okay, so I am only telling you what most of the time this course for two types of persons purpose. One is who are struggling in a way getting a job. Maybe non-technical persons are there in a mechanical background, any non-technical means computer students are not there means those persons also interested to get a job in a way computer side only. Those persons are not very good knowledge in a way in a coding. Those persons are not a problem. Very easy way getting a job. Best way means PLSQL they are learning only, and but a little bit of gap is required, 2 years or 1 year. Now gap they are putting only in a fake experience. Now PLSQL developer side, yes, here they are very easily they are getting a job. Yeah, our previous students well settled in a way PLSQL. Otherwise, another type of jobs are there, because PLSQL depth knowledge we are telling you here in this class one. Again, another one is what? Oracle apps ERP is there. So many fellows are learning a what? ERP course. And now SAP is a ERP is there, no? Again, same like Oracle 11 ERP is there. Okay, fine. PeopleSoft, Oracle side, Oracle apps ERP is there. Those persons also, okay, very good knowledge is required in a PLSQL. Those type of persons purpose very helpful our course only. Okay, fine. Not only these type of, suppose you are not a vocation interested to get a job in a PLSQL, not a problem. Now you are, yes, this course is very helpful. Another type of programmer, suppose you are a Java programmer. Okay, fine. Yes, actually Java, .NET, these type of front-end programmers also, little bit of Java, .NET, PHP, these type of programmers developing a web-based applications. These type of programmers also minimum knowledge is required. Minimum knowledge is required in a database. Any database also, not only Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, anything also. Now here minimum knowledge is required. Back end only, this is a front end actually. This is a front end only developing a what like this. Now connection is required. These persons are using a what little bit of knowledge in a database. In a SQL side, some joins, some primary key, foreign key, these concepts they are using. Again, in a PLSQL side, recently I'm writing a stored procedure, something I'm writing, no, those things they are using in a where in a Java, .NET, PHP, like this only in these type of application. That's why front-end developers also required to know minimum basics of the database. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are learning a course, but you are attending an interview. Whenever you are attending an interview, are you good at database? They're asking. Why they're asking? Minimum basic knowledge is required to develop a web-based application. Minimum basic knowledge is required to develop a what web JDBC applications, database related applications in a where Java. Again, ADO.NET application, .NET related, sorry, database related applications in a where in a .NET, like that only. Minimum connection is required. Data storing is very important. In that case, interviewer asking, write a query to display employee, salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows, they're asking. You are not writing the query, they're rejected. You simply they're rejected. Oh, this candidate minimum basic knowledge is not there. They are thinking. Again, what is stored procedure? What is a RIF cursor? Those type of questions they're asking. So many fellows are not telling, but they are putting a what experience in a 3 years or 2 years in a Java side. Immediately, okay, they are rejected. They're not selected. Why? Because they're not interested. Minimum basic knowledge is required. How we are getting a what that good knowledge in those type of person purpose also. These type of courses we are learning. Not only from me, anywhere also we are learning, either in a net, either in another lecture, or anywhere also minimum knowledge is required. That's why those type of persons also learning what these type of courses. Okay. Again, another type of persons, suppose so many fellows are, okay, fine. Any non-technical persons are there. Those persons are nowadays, they want to settle in a where software companies, but they doesn't, they are not very good knowledge in a coding. They are little bit of knowledge in a very SQL, little bit of knowledge is there in a very SQL. Those type of persons also getting a job very easy nowadays. Why? Because data warehousing applications are there. In that one, ETL tools are there. ETL tools, extraction, transformation, loading tools they are learning in a courses. Otherwise, they are learning a courses in a where which one reporting tools are there. Reporting tools. Maybe anybody have an idea? What is okay ETL, what is data warehousing? Later we are telling only. In that ETL tools, Talender and also Informatica, data stage, these tools they are learning. GUI tools only, just a little bit of knowledge is there in a where SQL. They are learning a course PLSQL, dynamic SQL not required. They are learning a course ETL tools and also reporting tools, either BOS, either OBI, either okay, so now SQL server side, MSPI. These type of tools they are learning also, they are getting a job. Different opportunities are there nowadays. Database nowadays most popular. Okay, minimum inversion of common sense only learn a what a database. Minimum and a minimum knowledge is required. I am not telling about very depth only you have to learn. I am not telling only, just minimum knowledge is required. If those persons purpose also, this course is very helpful. Not only that one, observe here. Suppose two types of persons are maintaining a what a database in a project side only. One is database developers. You are learning in our course SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL languages. No, those are called database developers. Okay, that is everyone knows. Database developers. Okay, fine. But not only that one. Just so many fellows are interested to, yes, here maintain a what in a project side only, in a company side. DBA jobs are there. Database administrator jobs. DBA jobs are there. Database administrator, Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA, Teradata DBA, database administrator. They are doing what backups, recovery, and okay, so internal architecture where the data is storing, hot backup, cold backup, and tables. So many things are there. Okay, installation, so many maintaining is database also important. Those persons, DBA jobs are there. Those persons also minimum knowledge is required in a where SQL. Minimum knowledge is required in a where SQL. Those type of persons also learning a what these type of courses. Oh, so many different nowadays. Big data, data sciences, advanced application. MongoDB is there. That is a what unstructured relational database only, unstructured database only. That is different also. Yes, similar concepts are there. Now observe it here. That's why Anywhere, this course is very helpful. Okay, fine. Yes, not only from me only, anywhere also we are learning also that course is very helpful. You are a software engineer. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Here are now so many different type of applications are there. Suppose so many fellows are newcomers having a doubt only. I am a Java programmer, I am a .NET programmer. Why I am learning a what? Yes, these database. Otherwise, and now here, whenever we are developing a web-based applications, why database programmers also required in a companies only, in a software companies means reason is there. Simple example. Suppose now simple example is there. Small example. Suppose actually now I am also, you are also nowadays purchasing items in a way online portal through we are purchasing Amazon, Flipkart is there. Okay, fine. This is a what? So now here this is a web browser is there. This web browser connect to the where web server. So many fellows having a idea. This one is Java, .NET, these type of programmers. Web servers are there. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Web servers are there. Again, these web servers are not storing a large amount of data. These web servers are connect to the where database servers. Database servers means Oracle, SQL Server, these type of our database courses only. It is not visible to the where customers or end user. These are database servers. Okay, fine. Now here, this is a database. This is the entire architecture. Everyone knows no? On our database, roughly idea purpose I'm telling. Database servers. These are called servers only. Now here, yes, here. Now Oracle, SQL Server, like this only. Some databases are there. I'm storing for data purpose permanently. Okay, fine. Every organization maintain databases. Don't worry. Now check it out. For example, now here, today I'm interested to purchase a one item. For example, why database programmers are required means observe it here. Now check it out. Suppose here, simple orders, these type of things based on I'm telling. Suppose here, this is a table format only, data is there. Okay, fine. Some items, data, something only. Okay, fine. Slowly observe it here. This is a order table, order master table, some table only. Okay, fine. Yes, table format only. Here columns are there. Here order number. Whenever you are booking a item, order ID, something only displayed. How means I will tell you order number. Again, which one order, date only, and also many things are there. Item name. So many things are there. Okay, price only. So many details are there. Okay, for example, and now check it out. Concentrate here. Whenever today I'm interested, I don't know. So I'm a customer. Okay, so these web servers, database servers, we don't know. Suppose I'm interested to purchase a one item today. Now I'm opening a what? My web browser www.flipkart.com. I'm typing only. Whenever I am typing a what, yes, here this I'm opening a what this browser. This web browser connect to the where web server, but web server does not store large amount of data. This web server connect to the where database server. Now in this database server here, I'm clicking a what one item I'm booking. Okay, for example, one item I'm booking only. Whenever I'm booking a what one item I'm booking means that the details order number is automatically generated. You are observing or not 1001 like this. Okay, any number automatically generated. Order date, item name, all the things are storing a what here we are clicking means here the details are storing. Suppose yes, say maybe same item is a occasion of your booking by the way some other customer in a worldwide. Maybe same item. And now suppose here they are also opening a what a Flipkart only. And now here a Flipkart.com for example. Yes, again occasion of here they are booking a what same item. For example, same item. And now here whenever they are booking a what a same item, then automatically this web browser connect to the web server connect to the where database server. In this database server only, which order number is generated? Same order number or different order number? Very good. Different order number it will be generated. For example, next order number 1002 is generated. Here same item name only. Again another customer also maybe now here in a worldwide, yes, another customer also purchasing the same item. And now again that web browser connect to the where web server connect to the where database server. Here also automatically generates a what another number, another order number is generated. That's why whenever you are purchasing items in a where occasion backside of the parcel order number is there, you are observing or not. This order number, how it will be generated? Not a duplicate order only. Two orders are not same. No. Yes, here that's why observe it here. Order number is unique only. This order number is a what a primary key is there. this order number automatically, how it will be generated means automatically really not generated. Here some database programmers are there. You are learning a course, okay, PLSQL or like that only. Those programmers, database programmers writing a coding, auto increment is a concept is there. Okay, fine. Auto increment concept is there. That is that they are writing a what coding, then only possible. These are all the things only. Now here normally not possible. That's why these type of things maintaining purpose, some database programmers are required. Some database programmers are required only. That's why whenever we are developing a web-based application also, minimum knowledge is required in a database. Otherwise, some database specialized professionals also maintaining so many things in a way in a database. That much of powerful. Yes, here that is a powerful concepts are there. Okay, fine. Yes, so much of things are there in a future. I am telling only all the things. Okay. For example, first time today, first demo class. No, okay, fine. Yes, here. So many fellows are having another doubt. They are learning a course. Okay, fine. But what is their doubt means? Observe it here. Suppose this is very interesting. Only concentrate here. Suppose, for example, 1 minute only observe it here. And now here we are not starting anything. Just observe it here. I am working in a company. I have a doubt here. And now you are also having a doubt. Whenever I am working in a company, I am working in a where Oracle project side. That is a database product. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, I am also, my colleagues also working in a where this Oracle product by using a what, which language? SQL is a language. Through the SQL language only, we are working in a way, through the SQL language, through we are operating a what, Oracle product. Okay, fine. Again, in my company, another product is there. Maybe that is also database product. Here, SQL Server, that is a Microsoft product only. SQL Server is a database product is there. That is also operating purpose. They are using a what? Which language? Which language? Yes, they are using a what? SQL is a language. Okay, fine. Again, another okay, open source is there. MySQL is a product is there, open source only. That is also another project is there. That is also database product, same like a what, Oracle only, and from different company only. Now here that is operating also. Yes, here SQL language they are using only. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Oracle database product operating also they are using a what, SQL language. Again, Oracle SQL Server also product from Microsoft only. That is a database product operating also SQL language they are using. Again, open source MySQL database also operating purpose SQL we are using only. Okay, generally everyone knows. But these all SQLs are same or different? I have a doubt only. Anybody tell me? At least in a demo class side, just this small concept I am telling only. Yes, these all SQLs are same or different? Suppose today I am learning a what, sorry, we are learning in a very SQL language in our class only. Maybe same commands we are applying in a very SQL Server, another database product. Same commands we are using in a very in another MySQL database. Yes, it is working or not working. These all SQLs are same or different. Anybody guess it? Very good. Some fellows are telling you what same. Some fellows are telling you what not same. Some fellows are confusing. Some fellows are not telling any answer only. That is intelligent fellows. Okay. And now here, but unfortunately, yes, what is the correct answer means? Concentrate. These all SQLs are which one? Which one? Not same. Very important. How you are understandable this one? Suppose here anybody technical persons are there, in a computer students are there in the academic career, MCAs, BCAs, MTech, BTech, in those type of courses side, they're telling a insert, update, delete, select is there. The same commands are there in a MySQL, same commands are there in a where SQL Server, same commands are there in a where Oracle, same commands are there in a where Teradata. But why Murlis are telling you what these all SQLs are not same means, okay, basic commands are maybe similar. That's why you are telling us same only. Same is the wrong answer. That is not same. But how you are understandable that is not same means standards are same, but syntaxes are different. How you are understandable this one means simple technique is there. What is the technique means? Observe it here. Now check it out. Observe it here. Here, observe it here. Suppose today so many fellows are attending a demo. Demo means okay, just anything also they are telling okay, fine. But unfortunately, so many in our class, this demo who are attending, those persons are little bit of knowledge is there in a C language, maybe academic career side, technical persons are there. C language, you have an idea. C++, little bit of knowledge is there. Maybe nowadays, so many people are very good knowledge in all the things. Java also, they are familiar, I think. Okay, fine. Observe it here. Through that one, I am telling you what differentiate between the what, those SQLs are same or not same. Through the Java, through the C++, easily you are understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate. This is a simple technique I'm using only. And now check it out. Concentrate here. For example, only 2 minutes. Okay, demo class, 2 minutes. Here. Enough. And now, suppose C++ is an object-oriented language. Everyone knows. Maybe so many fellows are well-known persons in a computer student. Again, Java also object-oriented language. Okay, observe it here. Here only simple technique is there. And now similar concepts are there in SQL. Observe it here. C++ is an object-oriented language, and Java also object-oriented language. Okay, so .NET also object-oriented features. So many things are there. But unfortunately, object-oriented features means what is object is there. Okay, fine. Class is there in a C++. Object is there. Class is there. Inheritance is there. And also polymorphism is there. So many concepts are there. Okay, fine. Same in a Java also, maybe object-oriented features means any technical persons are there. Tell me, yes, what is object also there? Here also class is a concept is there. Here also inheritance is a concept is there. Here also polymorphism is a concept is there. Okay, conceptually, maybe basic conceptually same or different? Same. Conceptually same. Here also object, here also object, here also class, here also class. Some concepts are same. Okay, object-oriented features are same. Standards are same. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in a C++, slowly observe here, in a C++, any technical persons are there? Tell me, in a C++, how you are creating an object? Some syntax is there in a C++. How can I create an object? Class name is there, class name, space, object name. This is a syntax in a way to create an object in a way C++. Now again we are allowed to create a what object in a where in a Java. Yes, what is the creation object in a where Java? Maybe anybody technical persons are there? Any technical persons are there? Tell me. Yes, class name. Okay, fine. Yes, your object name, class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Okay, something is there. Okay, something is there. Now check it out. Now you are observing or not, here C++ and Java object-oriented languages also, in this one features are same. Features means object, class, inheritance, polymorphism. Conceptually, this object, class, inheritance, polymorphism same, but unfortunately, syntactically same or different. Very good. Syntactically different. Here this class name space object name is there. Here class name space object name is equal to new class constructor is there. That's why syntactically different or same. Very good. Syntactically different. Very good. Syntactically different, syntactically different, conceptually same, but syntactically different. And also in a C++ we are using a what? One function cout only. The same function is we are using in a where Java working? No, not working. Functions also different. System.out.println something we are using or not? Yes, that's why syntactically different, and functions also different only, but conceptually same like this one. Actually, SQL is a ANSI standard language. Okay, this SQL language is a ANSI standard language. That language concepts are same only. Okay, so procedure, function, triggers, packages, tables, so many things are there. Conceptually same, but unfortunately syntactically different. Suppose from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation creating a what? Oracle SQL. That is important. Oracle SQL they are creating. That is you are learning in our course. Again, SQL Server Microsoft product copying a what as that standards from that standards they are creating a what? SQL Server SQL they are creating. That's why in a Oracle SQL and SQL Server SQL, suppose open source MySQL, they are creating a what as their own SQL from the where ANSI standard SQL only, MySQL SQL. That's why conceptually same. Here also table is there, here also table is there, here also table is there, here procedure, function, trigger, package, index, like this only, conceptually same, but syntactically different. Suppose functions also different. Suppose Oracle SQL we are learning a course. In that Oracle SQL, null values problem is there in a feature you are familiar technically. Null value problems purpose we are using a function. What is that one? NVL is a function in a Oracle side. Same function I try to use in a SQL server working. No. Why? Because in that is different, this is different. In this SQL server, is null is a what function we are using only. That's why syntactically and functions are different or not. Yes, here conceptually same. Null value problem is everywhere same. Suppose in a MySQL, if null is a what, a function is there. That's why observe it here. Yes, the different with languages SQL having a what, different functions are there or not? Yes, conceptually same, but unfortunately, which one? Syntactically and functions are different only. That's why SQL, we in our class we are learning a what? Oracle SQL language. Okay, Oracle course side, Oracle SQL language we are learning only. That's why before we are going to start these type of database softwares, yes, we are learning about what is the concept, what is data, this data is there, no, what is data, what is information, and also what type of data storing mechanisms are there in organizations. Nowadays 1960 onwards, database softwares are there. Before 1960, how they are storing the data in a flat file mechanism. Yes, here those all the things we are learning in our courses side only. Okay, na? Yeah. So now just a demo purpose only, and now here small thing I am telling only. At least you are observed. Okay, so now understood or not? Yes, here. Okay, na? Understood. Up to this one, and of only first time newcomer, no? Yeah. So now here tomorrow I am telling you what remaining concept only. Just at least a little bit of concepts we are starting only. Tomorrow also we are continuing what this one. Okay, at least some terminology you have an idea, not? Yes, yeah. Okay, yeah, just idea purpose, nothing. Practically means you are only telling. Okay, so now all the things only. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, up to this one is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you this continuation. Okay, yeah. So now tomorrow I will